Hey guys, I'm making this video to hopefully help filling out our electricity eco audit. This is a copy that I made for myself and I modified it. So I'm going to fill in this row right here. I made this one up so that I'm not giving away too many answers. I'm just pretending for a microwave. So you don't have this on yours, but this is me filling out as if microwave was one of our options. Um, Big picture, I'm just multiplying as I go. What are some things to look out for? Thing one, make sure you're straight with your kilowatts and watts, and then also make sure that you know that San Antonio charges, when you get to the end of the calculation, San Antonio charges 11 cents a kilowatt hour. So make sure you do those calculations correctly. Otherwise, your cost per day and therefore your cost per week will be way off on those last two columns. So let's do one. Ready? So microwave. I don't know. I only have one of those in the house. So for these other things, light bulbs, you have to count up all those light bulbs. For light bulbs, students are like, the LEDs say that they're equal to 40 watts, and my compact fluorescents say they're equal to 60 watts. I have 10 of each. So I'm like, I don't know. How about we say you have 20 and we take the average and they're like 35 watts. Okay. Or like students are like, I have 15 60-watt bulbs and 15 45-watt bulbs. And so I'm like, I don't know. How about we pretend that you have 30 57-watt bulbs? You figure it out for you. Okay. So there's that. I have one microwave, and I took a picture of it, and I saw that it was 1,200 watts. It said it on the front of the microwave. Um, Average hours used daily. Well, let me think about it. Like for my lights, when I first did this, I was like, oh, well, there's 12 hours of darkness, so 12 hours of lights. But no, I'm not. The lights aren't on when I'm awake, or when I'm asleep. The lights aren't on when I'm away from the house, although it's COVID. So when am I ever away from the house? Uh, but so I was actually, no, it's like 5 hours. How many hours do I use a microwave for? Well, that's like 10 minutes, maybe, let's say, right? I use it like 30 seconds here, 30 seconds there. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to say that's 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, how many hours is that? Well, 10 divided by 60 minutes in 1 hour is 0.1666 hours. 0.1666 hours. Okay, that's how many hours I use it for. So, what's my cost per day? Well, 1,200 watts times that 6.66, 1,200 is how many watt hours I use. But San Antonio charges me per kilowatt hours. So I need to divide this number by 1,000. There's 1 kilowatt is 1,000 watts. So let me divide this by 1,000 and shrink that number down. That's how many kilowatt it uses, kilowatt hours, times 11 cents a kilowatt hour. So times 0.11 dollars, a dime, 11 cents. That's how much I use a day. My cost per day is $0.02. So remember your units. That's how much I use a day, like 2 pennies a day, times 7 days in 1 week. So that number times seven gives me 15 cents, about $sign 0.15, 15 and a half cents a week for my electrical bill for my microwave. That's what I came up with. So some of these are going to be way higher. Those, if you have an electric heater or an electric furnace, you're going to be using that like 24 hours a day. For your computers, sometimes your computers are in standby mode, or if that's the power plug is plugged in at all, it's drawing a charge. So try your best to figure this out. I'm not having you do something that I also didn't do. This is rough, but it will be worth it. I hope this was helpful. My time was almost up anyways. Do this weekend. That way you can ask some questions early in the week before our exam. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Boop.